Good morning everybody, it's 9:30 on Monday the 8th of July. Back in Just Jane and aircraft snags. They've been taxing it all weekend, and then what we have is number 3 water I'll try that again. Number 3 coolant temp gauge is playing up, so let's have a look see. Right, so here we are. Coolant gauges 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's the inboard starboard that we're looking at. So I was told a gentle tap, and it's not going to do it now. It's a little looks a little on the frisky side, so we'll take it off and we'll have a look. But I don't think I've got any replacements, so I might have to just see what I can do about this, because it could just be a poor connection, and we'll have to work out how to test it, because of course we've got no documents for these. Well, someone's got documents, but I haven't got them. But yeah, all the rest seem fairly stable, but that one's a little bit jittery. Apparently it was reading 10 degrees low, and then when I tapped it, it wobbled about a bit and dropped off even further. So yeah, so it sounds like either the gauge has gone or there's a loose connection behind there, so we'll have a look. Okay, here we are, the back of the panel. That's the meter we're looking at there. All the connections, I know it's not very pretty, but don't worry about that. All the connections look fine. So I'm going to whip the meter out, and we'll get it on the bench, and we'll have a look, see, because when you consider the age of these instruments, it's and the walloping they get sometimes, it's surprising that they actually still work. Anyway, right, we'll whip that out, we'll get it on the bench, and I'll have a play with it. Okay, we're on the bench. I don't think anyone's watching me, so I don't look too foolish. So I've got 24 volt power supply, decade box, and the gauge. And I know from my table down here that with 108 ohms, so that is 100.08. Should give me a reading of 40. 140, so we'll just stick 40 on that, and we'll take that off. That should give me 100. 51 should give me 125, and 164 should give me full scale deflection, and I think that meter's okay. Now this is a meter that I got out of the spares box, and all it needed it's nice and smooth, that. So I'm going to stick that meter back in, but yeah, when I got this out of the box, the glass was loose. Let's see if I can find another one. Find another one. Here's another one. Look, the glass is loose on it. Yeah. Most of the gauges are in this condition in the assortment box. So yeah. So that one's going to go back in. The one that came out, which is this one, I can't confirm it. It seems to work okay on my little ad hoc test rig here. So we'll just have to suck it and see. So I'll put it back in, or certainly put this one in, and we'll see what comes up on the next engine run. We'll see whether I've cured it or not. But yeah, so I'm going to run through the rest of these now, I got me super glue for gluing the glass back in, and yeah, so this one can go back on board, and we'll see how it performs on the next engine run, which will be tomorrow or maybe today, because I think they've got an oil cooler problem on, well, it's number 4. I think it's having a bit of a leak. But they've got the staging out on number 4, and they're in the process of maybe it's an oil cooler problem, I don't know. Brad muttered something about that to me anyway. So anyway, yes, so we'll turn that off, and we'll go and put this back in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll do the business. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed a little something different. First time I've used my decade boxing anger. Yeah, so I'm dead chuffed. So anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.